Today I will talk about how can you fix this problem or know how you can do that on your Zepeto app. So all you have to do, so you just click here on settings, click on it here. When you just click on settings, it's going to show for you list like this here. Then you go down, just keep going down, click here on apps. Come to apps list here, indeed you're looking for Zepeto app. Or just click here on share. So then here at Zepeto app, it's going to show for you like this, click on it. So then it's going to take you to this list here, click here on for stock, click on OK. Then you go down, just click on storage, come to storage list here, just click on clear cache. Then all you have to do, just go to your Play Store, click on it here, and here you search for Zepeto app. It's going to show for you like this. You will find here, if they click on it, then it's going to work with you. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.